Good afternoon, Honorable Doug Jones and members of the committee. Thank you for your time and attention. My name is Samika McRoy, and I am a member of the Improved Sidewalk Health Coalition. I'm petitioning you today for funds to improve the conditions of our sidewalks. Why are these improvements needed? Sidewalk improvement will increase sidewalk use. Why do we need to improve sidewalk use? Well, walking improves health. Walking increases heart and lung fitness, reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Walking improves management of high blood pressure, high cholesterol, joint pain, stiffness, and diabetes. Walking improves and makes stronger bones and improves balance. It also increases muscle strength and endurance. Walking improves health. What does increased use mean? More walking, more benefits. Who will benefit from improved sidewalks? One set of people are grandparents. 85% of grandparents are raising their grandchildren. That is 2.7 million grandparents parenting again. These grandparents can use these improved sidewalks to walk their grandkids to school. Who else benefits? Children, those grandchildren that are being walked. Children are two-thirds of the children aged 2 to 15 are overweight or obese. Lack of exercise has been cited as one of the reasons for this overweight. More sidewalk use will improve the health of generations from young to old. Let me tell you a story. Let me tell you about Sarah Jenkins. Sarah is 60 years old. About 2 years ago, Sarah was diagnosed with cardiovascular disease. About 2 years ago, Sarah's daughter became addicted to opioids and was unable to care for her 11-year-old daughter. This meant Sarah took custody of her granddaughter and moved her to a school closer to her. Sarah has never been very comfortable driving, but this afforded her an opportunity to become a sidewalk user. Sarah began walking Angel to school. Their chats on the way to school improved Sarah's health, Angel's self-esteem, and their relationship. Sarah has founded the Silver Sidewalkers. That's a group of parents and grandparents who walk their children to school. This organization uses these sidewalks daily, and we at the coalition want them to continue. We believe improved sidewalks will increase sidewalk use, and improving sidewalks is similar to improving roads. The more improve the sidewalks, improves their lifestyle. So we at the coalition are asking you for funds to help us improve our sidewalks similar to the way we improve our roads so that everyone is safe, happy, and healthy. Thank you for your time. If you need me for more testimony, I will be more than happy to participate in any other coalition meetings or any of your meetings. Thank you, and you have a great day.